Just giving you a quick warning, this episode is fire.
What's up, guys? I'm randomfrankp, back with episode 167 of Room Tour Project, the series where we show off some of the best gaming setups to give you some ideas and inspirations for your own setup. By popular request, we're gonna have a clean and minimal edition this time around. It's definitely a fan favorite. You guys voted, they do the best in terms of views and stuff like that, and I could definitely appreciate some nice, simple setups. Clean's always, a good way to go. So if you see anything you like, I'll have it all listed for you in the description down below so you can check it out. But let's start it off, episode 167.
First, we have Will with a single ultra-wide monitor setup here. Obviously very nice and clean. It's kind of mounted on this backboard, hiding some of the cables with the RGB light strip behind there to give it some extra glow. And there's only one cable in sight, so pretty damn impressive. Checking it out, his single monitor is the LG29UM68, so a nice 29-inch ultra-wide, and with a primarily white desk and setup, having that RGB light behind the desk is going to give the whole setup some extra pop, so you can change up the colors whatever he wants from the green to the purple here. Definitely one of the perks to having an all-white setup is the RGB can literally just go on and change the entire look of your setup. Now we're going to get into the peripherals. His keyboard is the exclusive E7V1. It's a custom mech. It's got the GMK muted keycaps, the Zeal Helios switches at 68 grams with a Pexon cable, and Logitech G703 wireless mouse and a SteelSeries Dex mousepad. But to give you a better look at the custom mech here, definitely a nice looking build, and the cable here matches that brass plate in the keyboard itself, so really nice coordinating here. As for his headset of choice, it's the Corsair Void wireless, in white of course, match everything else, with the Xbox One S so he can be a console gamer, and then also switch it up and use the PC. He's got the NZXT H500i case, and inside is an Intel i5 6600K CPU with the NZXT Kraken X62 AIO, 16 gigs of HyperX RAM, and an NVIDIA RTX 2060 Founders Edition graphics card. Got the white braided cables here, a really clean looking build, and again with the RGB lighting even inside the case, he could switch that up and then match it to whatever color he has the RGB light strip behind his desk. So completely up to him of whatever he's feeling that day, could then match it with the wallpaper, and all in all, it's a really nice looking setup. I love the simplicity, great job with cable management as well, the organization is on point. Always love a really clean white setup like this. Next we have Ken, and my god, contender, one of my favorite setups of 2019. Oops, I hit my mic stand on my laptop. Got a little excited. But Ken, this is legendary. The simple workspace, the natural lighting, lots of green around with plants. You know me. If not, this is me. Alright, so checking it out, he has a 24-inch Acer monitor. It's just sitting there on the desk, no problems with that whatsoever, because with the window, right behind it, obviously you can't wall mount it. I would prefer the natural lighting 10 times out of 10. Now I know your eyes are wandering, you're looking at that PC saying, what in the world is that? That looks awesome. Sit tight, we'll get to that in just a minute. I'm pumped as well. For his peripherals, he has the Vortex Poker 3 keyboard with the Microsoft Designer Bluetooth mouse, and his headset of choice is the SteelSeries Arctis 3. Keeping that desktop very, very clean, practically zero clutter, always a good thing. Now we're going to get to the goods, and that is that custom build. You're probably thinking to yourself, can I buy that right now? What is this? Well, good news, it is up for pre-order, and it's their custom motif monument from Yule Beast Designs, and it's this really, really nice looking, kind of like an open air case. Checking out the specs he has inside, it's the Intel i5 8600K CPU with a Be Quiet Dark Rock TF cooler. You got an ASRock Z370M mini ITX motherboard. You got 16 gigs of the Corsair Vengeance RGB RAM, and an AVGA GTX 1060 graphics card, completing the really, really awesome looking build. Spoiler alert, if you want to see this on the channel, smash that thumbs up button down below, because I might be getting one of these to make a very custom build like this. I'm definitely pumped. I love minimal setup, so having a really nice and minimal PC on the desktop as well, only going to make it that much better. And when I saw this, I knew I had to reach out, get him on the show, talk about that case, because I figured you guys would like it as well. Legendary, absolutely legendary. Loving how clean this setup is, and the green just takes it to the next level with all that natural lighting. So good, so good. Now we have the definition of clean and minimal. Arccai is hitting us with the completely wireless, all white, sexy setup here, and there's just like what can't you like about this? You look up clean in the dictionary, and this is the picture next to it. So checking out his gear, his single monitor is from LG, is a 32-inch 1440p 165Hz monitor. Got the RGB light strip behind the monitor itself to give the wall that reflective glow. And again, just like we saw with the first one, change up the color and the entire room takes form. Got some crazy effects going on, and the whole white now is just a massive rainbow. Say what you want about RGB, but this is pretty cool. Now into his fully wireless peripheral setup, he has the Logitech G613 keyboard with the Logitech G603 mouse, and a nice extended Logitech mousepad with the Corsair Void Pro RGB headset, as you saw before, also in white. Now instead of pictures for the PC, we just have this video, so I'm still going to read off the specs. We have an Intel i7 9700K CPU with a Noctua NHD15 cooler, Asus ROG Strix Z 390F motherboard, 16 gigs of Corsair Vengeance RAM, and an MSI RTX 2080 Ti Gaming X Trio graphics card, all inside the Fractal Design Define R5. Design Define always messes me up, but Fractal makes good stuff. So you literally just cannot get more clean and minimal than this. There are 0 cables in sight, nothing can be seen powering this setup, which makes it really cool. The monitor is mounted really nicely, all the peripherals are wireless. This is that good. Now we got Sir Nexus with the IKEA desk setup, loving the wooden desktop here, also some plants, definitely feeling the vibes of this. And while it's not, as just simple as some of the other ones, there is more going on the actual desktop, it's still pretty minimal. I mean, hell, a few weeks ago, that one guy had like 9 monitors. So for his monitor setup, it's the Asus MG248QR, so a 24-inch 1920 by 1080p 144Hz display. And I like how it's propped up kind of on that monitor stand, where you can also have some things up there just to clear up some more desktop space. I feel like monitor stands or like monitor risers are often overlooked, but it really does help out. It makes it more, level with your eye. Or eye level, I should have said. But yeah, you get the idea. So for his peripherals, we have the AN Pro 2 keyboard with the Corsair M65 Pro RGB mouse on an extended, quick, extra large, heavy mouse pad from SteelSeries. They got some bizarre names. And you can see up on the riser is the Logitech LS21 speakers, and the headset is the Sennheiser GSP 600. My man, you should pick up one of those walnut headset stands, would go perfectly with the desk. And also, showed it before, all the RGB lighting. He has those in the lamps on each side of his setup, and just that in itself is going to fill the room with all the color, and again, just give it some more, accent glow. You know the routine. As for his PC, unfortunately, kept alone on the floor. It's a Corsair Carbide 300R case. Inside's an Intel i7 7700 CPU with another Noctua NHD15 CPU cooler. Got a Gigabyte Z270X Gaming 5 motherboard, 16 gigs of Corsair Vengeance LPX RAM, and an MSI Radeon R9 390 GPU. At least he has it up on those wood blocks for better airflow and less dust and stuff like that, so good thinking there. So altogether, a cozy setup, Sir Nexus. I'm definitely digging it. The thing you nailed here is just symmetry. All around, everything is practically, split equal from the two plants, the speakers, the lamps on each side of the desk. You even got a mirror there to reflect it. It's good stuff. Symmetry is so just appealing naturally. Your brain tells you like it, and guess what? I like it. I like it a lot.
I like it a lot.
And then the moment you've all been waiting for, the setup from the thumbnail, the one and only Ace. This is perhaps one of my all-time favorite setups. I know I probably say that a lot, but just look at this. This takes clean and minimal to the next level. They look like renders, they're so clean. Like this should be out of like a design magazine or something like that. And it pretty much nails like all the aspects of things that I personally look for in a nice and clean setup. A nice wooden desktop, the white accents, a little bit of green. It's all good. Now for his monitor, that's an LG 38-inch ultra-wide, so it's a pretty big chungus here. And that's sitting up top of the IKEA ECB. It's pretty much like a shelf drawer, aka their version of like a monitor stand or a TV riser. I just like how it perfectly kind of breaks up the setup though. It complements the white walls and a lot of the white accents in his setup, while kind of being a nice contrast from the lightly wooden desk. Now we're going to check out his peripherals, and these are actually pretty uncommon, so it's nice to see someone switch it up and not go the normal route. He's using the ASIO Retro Classic keyboard with the Mad Catz Rat 5 mouse on an ASIO mousepad. ASIO, however you want to say it. It's a pretty cool looking keyboard, I'll definitely give it that. Say what you want about Mad Catz, but the white mouse definitely, fits in with the setup. And hey, if it works for him, it works for him. There's actually no really audio stuff to report of, no headset or anything like that. And then we're going to see a lot of comments. That geometric thing he has on the stand is from this retailer, like a home retailer called Jisk, which is pretty much like their version of an IKEA, so I can't really link that anywhere. But now we can check out the PC. This is the NZXT H500 case, and I'm loving that Ace vinyl. Nice branding, even on this shot, it's not there. This pic here is probably an older one because it actually does have speakers and no riser. But as for the actual specs, inside's a Ryzen 2600X CPU with a Deepcool Captain 240X AIO. We have an Asus X470 Prime motherboard with 16 gigs of Corsair Vengeance LPX RAM, and an RTX 2070 WindForce OC graphics card from Gigabyte. White motherboard, white cooler, white RAM, all you need is some custom white cables. And then of course, we had to include like an RGB shot with the lights at nighttime, making it all glow this nice like indigo. Like when you were a kid, you picked up a crayon you thought was blue, but it was purple. And you're like, what the hell? And it's indigo. Kind of like that, but it still looks nice. It's also going to complement that wallpaper. So just a crazy, nice, stylish, clean, modern, organized, simple, everything you could possibly think of for this room here. Crazy nice setup. Ace, my man, this is absolutely one of the best I have seen. It takes this episode to the next level.
Alright guys, that'll wrap it up for episode 167 of Room Tour Project. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget, check the links in the description down below for all the gear and hardware you saw. I'll have it listed down there for you. And if you want to submit your gaming setup, all you have to do is check the description down below, where I also have some very simple instructions if you want to be possibly considered in a future episode of Room Tour Project. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up to show your support. Feel free to follow me on Twitter at randomfrankp. And lastly, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'm Random Frank P. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.